Today we will study the topic of median for group data. Now in a question, if class boundaries are given to us like 57.5 to 60 having the frequency 6, then 60 to 62.5, 62.5 to 65 and so on up till 75, and their relative frequencies are also given, how we will find the median? For that we have to know the concept of cumulative frequency. Now cumulative frequency is calculated as we write the first frequency as it is, then we add the first frequency with the second one, then we add the total of it to the third one, and similarly so on. Like 6 plus 26 is 32, then 32 plus 190 is 222, then it is added in 281 and we get 503, then it is added in 412, we get 915, and 127 is added, then 38 is added and we get 1080. Now you can see that the sum of the frequency, sum of f, is equal to the last cumulative frequency. Now the formula for calculating the median for the group data is median is equals to L, that is lower class boundary, plus h, that is height, divided by f, which is frequency, into n by 2 minus c. Now how we will locate all these? Now median is n by 2th value. The value of n or sum of f is 1080, total number of frequency, divided by 2 we get the value 540. Now here in the cumulative frequency table you can see we have the value 503 and 915. So the median value lie over here. It is greater than 503 because we have calculated it is 540. So we will say that this is the median class, 67.5 to 70 having frequency 412 and cumulative frequency 915. We say this is called the median class because the value that we calculated, n by 2th value of the median, it lies in the class boundary where the values are 67.5 to 70. Hope you have understood this concept at how we locate the median class. Now the formula for the median is L, which is the lower class boundary, that is 67.5, we write it like this, plus h. H is the height or difference between the two class boundaries. If we subtract 72.5 from 70 we get 2.5, or if we subtract 70 from 67.5 we get 2.5. Now f is the frequency of the median class, which is 412, we write it like this, n by 2 is 540. Now c is the cumulative frequency above the median class, which is 503. So we substitute all the values in the formula. Hope you have understood that what is L, what is H, what is F, what is n by 2 and what is c. Now after substituting the values we calculate the median, which is 67.72. In this way we have solved the problem for calculating the median for the group data, in which class boundary are given, frequency are given. We have to make a column for cumulative frequency, then we will substitute the values in the formula for median so that we can locate the median class. After locating the median class we will find the values of L, H and C and we substitute them in the formula and we attain the answer. Hope you have understood whole concept, which is very simple. Thank you.